Hi, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality pro video for a Jugs Changeup controller that I will show in a second. First I want to switch it off, and it belongs to a customer with initials JK. This is just a proof that this is their board and not something random. The board is connected to the output that goes in our case to this testing motor that is strongly attached to my desk because it has quite some kick when it starts. Of course, it's not the original controller, it's for lower voltage, but it's it is useful for illustrating that the controller works and does what it needs to do. So when we flip it off, you will see the standby is on. The speed is at a minimum and it actually just turned on. I don't know if you can see it rotating, but you can hear it. And the speed that it says now is 13. Of course it's not 13 because that's a different motor, but as you can see I'm increasing it. And the sound coming out of here is also increasing. Probably the best way to show that this works. Give me a second, let me see what that is. That's something good. Give me a second there. And I will make a perfectly simple illustration that this is working. Hopefully you can see that it is working. Okay, it can go to a higher speed. And you can hear it, or you can go to a lower speed and it turns it off and then it turns it on again. That's probably because the motor is different than the original one. Now, this is something important. It is the reason I make this video is because there is a good possibility, not a guarantee, that the original motor has failed and shorted out. So if you don't get the same response, with proper motor rotating and buzzing and coming up and working, then you might need a new motor. But what you can see here is that the controller, which also has failed, is working fine, and that is QED. So I wish you best of luck. I hope the original motor works from Jugs, and happy bowling. Thanks for watching and best of luck.